Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and clicking the profile icon at the top right. Choose Sign in to Chrome. Enter your Google email and password so Chrome can link your profile. Once done, make sure to accept the sync prompt. This stores bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. You should choose the correct account if you have multiples. This first step ensures Chrome recognizes you and prepares the browser to persist your session across restarts and devices when sync is active. Once signed in, go to Settings and Google Sync and Google Services, turn on Sync and pick what to save. You want passwords and open tabs preserved, so include them. Make sure the Google sign-in page retained the Stay Signed In checkbox and that it is checked. This prevents forced logouts. Also, adjust privacy settings. Allow cookies and disable automatic clearing of site data on browser exit so Chrome can store your session tokens and preserve the signed-in state. Finish by confirming sync status in settings so you see a recent sync time. That proves Chrome will keep you signed in. If you use multiple profiles, switch to the intended profile and repeat enabling sync. If you get signed out, check cookie settings and any privacy extensions that clear site data, disable them or whitelist accounts. Google.com. As a quick fix, re-sign in and ensure Stay Signed In is set. If issues persist, sign out and back in after restarting Chrome to refresh tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.